This is the biggest part of our process, our sales process for getting more print in people's homes, getting more albums on people's coffee tables. And it's the idea that print is the journey and the destination, not just the destination. For so many photographers, they're just, print sales or design consults. These things are like just something that's sort of thrown in at the end. They don't talk about it on their websites. It's not in their business. But if you have print through the entire client journey, you talk about it, you show it, you hype it up. When it comes time to actually sell the print, they're already invested. They've been invested over a few weeks or a few months or even a year or more for wedding clients of you talking about the power of print and why it's important. So you got to talk about it. You know why your clients want to print their images and have wall art and albums. We just need to help them understand why they want it. So you want to talk about print early and you want to talk about print often.